Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we have just a short update on our channel. First, our 504 Road Trips window stickers are in. To get your very own, make a one-time donation of $4 or more on our Patreon page, or send $4 in a self-addressed stamped envelope to the address listed in the description of this video. Proceeds they'll help pay the cost of the stickers, and the rest will go towards making more 504 Road Trip videos. We've accumulated some expensive equipment and software for production, not to mention the cost of fuel and hotel stays in making these videos. YouTube's AdSense revenue doesn't even come close to covering it all. Next, our upload schedule has been a bit erratic lately. Due to an illness in the family, we haven't had much spare time lately, and it's been difficult getting the videos uploaded on time, not to mention that it's impossible for us to get out of town to get more footage right now. It has enabled me to be near the riverfront on Algiers Point every day, and will continue to follow the annual spring flood until the river level goes down again. Since we're in town, we'll be doing more local videos and neighborhood tours around New Orleans. But since our time is short, we're going to temporarily change our upload schedule. We'll be uploading on Sunday and Wednesday afternoons until we get ahead again, and then we'll resume our Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday schedule. We'll still be dropping in bonus material on occasion, including the river flood updates. If you haven't already, join our 504 Road Trips fan group on Facebook. The link is in the description below. From there you can interact with other viewers, get channel updates, ask questions, and get more information on what's happening with us. We want to thank each of our nearly 1,000 subscribers for watching and supporting us. There's more to come. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.